it's Brooke with WTI. I know it's a struggle to find a nice deodorant that really works. So that's why I love using this. This is by Dove. This is their Cool Essential Antiperspirant Deodorant. This spray comes out so easy and it just cools down my armpit and it smells wonderful. This is their green tea cucumber and it's also very moisturizing. If you're looking for a deodorant that works all day, this is awesome. This works for me. I like how easy it is to use. I can spray it on and it's just a nice chilling feeling to my armpit. It feels good and the smell is lovely. I like that it's not irritating to my armpits. It doesn't dry them out or peel up. This deodorant just stays intact. It also doesn't cause my armpits to feel sticky. It's really good for just moisturizing your armpit as well because it does keep it nice, and I do have to shave every day, so I don't want anything irritating in that area. So this is good. It has no color, so it doesn't stain my shirts either. I love the way that they made it with how it works, and it's amazing. But that's just my point of view.